all aboard. Here we go. We're on the rail car. That's the name of the rail car itself. And we're going to head up for this 3-hour journey up to McKinley. We'll take you along, show you some footage on the way.
Wait on your left. See numbers underneath the window. Please watch your step. There's step up. Good morning. Now you're gonna head that way, then you get the around.
There's a moose, 17, 9 o'clock. He was running in the water. I don't know if you caught that. Might see it out the back. They go quick.
I'd like to see. Platform here of get a good scene of Denali, and I think there's a lake he was talking about, so hopefully that'll be really good footage to capture.
Do some time lapse.
Do some time lapse.
Looking for mile marker 225 approximately.
225, yeah. We're getting close because he picked up speed, so.
Yeah, we're cooking now.
Cooking now.
Got that? You want me to take it?
Okay.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Got it? Okay. See ya. Thanks for riding with us, guys. Enjoy the rest of your trip. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
Bye now.
We made it. We are at McKinley Lodge, and we just got in, and the weather is really nice. There's a slight breeze, so I'm keeping my fuzzy on. But we are in the 3 percentile of people that actually get to see Denali, Mount Denali. So we're super excited about that.
Without any cloud cover.
Without any cloud
Yeah, there's
cover.
not a cloud in the sky. It is just...
Yeah, a lot of times they'll see some amount of cloud cover over the mountain. About 30% get that view. The other 70%, or almost 70%, don't get to even see Denali. So we feel very fortunate and blessed on that. So yeah, we got in. As we were pulling in, I realized they had already given us a paper in our welcome packet that had a QR code to scan. You make your appointment to get your COVID test. Get it tested today so that we're within 2 days of getting on the ship now. So that's really good. Got that appointment made at 4. We're gonna find something to eat here, probably at the 20,320 Alaskan Grill. That's the height of Denali, 20,320. So yeah, I think we're gonna eat there for late lunch, early dinner, or combination of both, I don't know. And then we'll find our lodge. Oh, Robert wants me to make sure and tell you about the Treehouse. He'll give you some footage of that. We may go up and see it. We'll see. I think the path, the trail to it is closed, however. It sounds like hill trail.
We saw some people walking up a road to it.
Okay.
So I think we can get there.
Maybe you can go along the road instead.
Right, instead of the regular
trail.
walking path.
Yeah,
Right,
so
right.
we'll see. I'm hoping to take in some of the trails too while we're up here.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see we're getting a lot of trails closed. Signs here.
Still a lot
and
of
I
snow.
saw one in, yeah. Apparently it's slippery and a little dangerous, so they
Yeah.
just a little too much snow yet, so they are keeping the trails closed, but plenty to walk around and see, and holy mackerel, look
gosh.
at that view.
So gorgeous.
Unbelievable. And there's the tree house that we were talking about right over there. It's got the green roof.
So they said that a moose has given birth.
Oh yeah, there's
and
supposed to
she-
be a moose and a baby.
Yeah, and she
A mama and a baby up here somewhere.
about yearly, it seems like. I think that's what the bus driver was saying. Yearly, she has a calf, and she feels safe having it on the grounds because it's kind of busier during the summer, so the bears stay away. So that's why she has the calf here or on the ground somewhere. So we're looking forward to maybe seeing that. We'll see.
Yeah. Here's just a quick little footage. I'll do some quick footage of the lodge itself.
Yeah, it's pretty busy
Really
right now.
beautiful.
Yeah.
This camp bar and grill.
We might kind of do what we did yesterday, and that was grab a snack now, and then have dinner later.
Yeah, we're gonna, probably have a little heavier dinner and then maybe just something light now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We'll see. Everybody's getting off the bus, and so the restaurants are kind of crowded right now. So
Yeah.
we'll see. Small internet cafe there, and just kind of a common area to play games and hang out, drink drinks, eat food maybe. Love this moose display. Various mooses. Come through here, you have restrooms to use. Historic photography of Alaska. Very cool. Downstairs here they did the testing. In the Denali room they did the testing for the COVID.
Flowers here.
Love these windows. So beautiful. Around this side we have a coffee shop. It is a Starbucks coffee shop. Things are a little pricey, but probably worth it just so you know what kind of coffee you're getting and what it's gonna taste like. They will have pastries and various things like that. They've got some Chobani and fruit cups in there right now. Open 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. There's Denali. So beautiful. Yeah, this is just a really great room to hang out in for sure. I think it's called the Great Room. You can get the shuttle service schedule here on this end, this other end. This is just the state park visitors information where we were at earlier. Cheers.
What you got there?
I've got a Kim Crawford Sauvignon Blanc 2021.
Cool.
It's delicious, lemony and tart on the palate.
Should go well with the
Yes.
salmon chowder.
Salmon chowder, salmon burger
Salmon burger,
on
salmon
a
chowder.
brioche bun. Should be delicious. With French fries. Brioche.
Brioche, that's right.
So it should be delicious, yeah.
Hope so. And then we're gonna go walk a trail. Which
yeah.
trail? What's the name of? Which one we did decide on?
Creek, what's it, Creekside or, no. Yes, Creek Overlook Trail
Right.
up to the Treehouse.
Right, up to the treehouse. We want to check that out and see what that's all about.
Yeah. You're supposed to be able to take Hill Trail up to the Treehouse, but currently it's closed because there's still snow melting and it's kind of a steeper path. So they don't have it open yet. They don't want people falling.
Right.
So
Okay, we'll take you along with
we'll
us.
take you along. Do it again.
All right, we got our COVID test done.
Yes, so we did. My nose
And-
started itching before, but we tested before we even got on the plane.
It will
the day
be
before,
next to impossible
it would-
for us
yeah,
to test positive, so I think we're good.
Yeah,
So there's
So they are-
unique architecture.
right. Decorative emblems in the shape of the 49th
Look
state.
like you enjoy a lot of details and
We do.
the whole experience.
Yeah.
I want to share something
Okay.
because I don't share it with everybody. No.
You tried it.
on May 15th, we had, you know how the eclipse was supposed to be the blood moon?
Oh
Have
yes.
it. So we want to see what we had instead.
We were in Arizona,
Were you
and
cloudy
unfortunately
then,
we
maybe?
had cloud cover.
No. It was the most phenomenal thing you've ever seen.
Oh my gosh.
I get cry every time I see it. I'll share it with everybody.
Oh my gosh.
There's 2 pictures I'm going to show you. I'm happy to share them with you. Here's the first one.
Oh wow.
People were calling that the hand of God.
Yes.
So there's that one, and I can send it to you
Wow.
if you
It
like.
does
Yeah.
look like the hand
Drop
of
it,
God.
and then
Oh, wow.
That's the picture of the year so far.
Oh, my goodness.
That is
We were walking.
amazing.
Was walking down from
Wow.
a different building. So this was right around 11ish.
It looks like a foot. Do you see a foot?
No.
See?
But maybe.
Yeah.
That's the first person that said that. But I was walking from one building to this building, and I just stopped, and I couldn't move.
Right.
So yeah, I was just like,
That is, yeah.
come see. Everybody thought I saw a bear or something.
You're like, no, it's not a bear.
This is better than a bear.
Yeah.
Yeah, no
Anyway,
kidding.
I just wanted to share that with you.
Lee?
Yeah.
All right, I think he's got the technique there.
Yeah.
It's extremely vertical, but I think he's got it lit.
Okay, so let's go around here so we can see the front of those staves.
Is that the Consummate Lodge fireplace right there? Look
It
at that.
is, yeah.
That is
It
amazing.
actually talks about that here.
I'm too close to do it justice.
No, yeah, it measures 13 feet wide. It's deep by 8 feet. It's 26 feet tall. It's adorned with an oil painting of Denali Sunset by Ernest Robertson, called As the Storm Passes.
This thing is massive. Absolutely massive. Look at that. Okay, now let's find the metalwork that supports it.
First you have the little hanging.
Oh
from
yeah, look at that. The little adjustment vent, the vent knobs.
in the shape of the 49th state, Alaska. Yeah. And then I think we have to go around here. Yeah, you can see it up there.
Oh, there's one
Yeah.
right there in the shape of Alaska. And then I think there's one on this side.
I have to go back here.
Oh, I know. Oh, it's there, but the light is in glare. Let's go over here. There it is.
Yeah, there you go.
Yep.
Perfect.
And then there's two more. There's one over there. And then there's the last one right there. Very cool.
Let me give you my story. First time I went to Vegas. Well, very first time, Circus back in early 80s.
The Great Room features 359 square feet of glass
Mm-hmm.
for those who like numbers.
Put a nickel in, nickel.
And
Nickel
that's
in.
and it's
like
all
8
facing Denali.
Oh yeah.
He was hooked.
I like this idea. This is a great concept. So, Circus. Second trip, Hacienda.
We are the blessed 3%. There's no cloud cover, so we get an absolute perfect view of Denali. It's just amazing how much snow is still piled up here. Hello. Go do a snow angel, we'll watch.
Yeah, I bet. I think it's probably fairly melted by now, fairly hard. This girl's played in snow. I know how hard it can get. But it looks amazing. I can't believe there's that much still there.
Oh, here
The
comes
end of
another
May.
Christmas, or another another Princess cruise bus.
Oh, cool. Hill Trail definitely is closed. We can't go down that. This way, like they do the cruise ships. There's Hill Trail, the trailhead.
Yeah.
Go down that.
So we're gonna try the
We're
road,
gonna try the road.
just to see. We saw some people walking up there, so we need the steps anyway, so even if it doesn't amount to anything, it'll still be good exercise.
Right.
So here's one of the examples of the spruce trees that the spruce beetle has invaded and destroyed, and it's just all over Alaska.
It's been a few years, right? When
2015 it started, and it is just
it's almost wiped out all the blue spruce.
almost wiped every single one of them out.
Yeah.
So
Unfortunately.
the spruce trees in Alaska are, they say they don't think they're going to be able to recover because there's been so many of them damaged. And on the train ride here, it was just, they were just everywhere. So sad, but cycle of life.
Look for claw and bite marks on the trees, signs, fence posts. Then you know they're around. If you can hear them, you are too close.
What doesn't kill you will make you stronger.
But a bear will kill you.
Yes, a bear will definitely kill you.
Oh man. That's awesome.
All right, let's go find one.
Okay.
It looked like it was either that or
Hill Trail,
Right. Which
the high one.
We're gonna go on part of it, just after the treehouse. Whew.
This is the treehouse.
Yeah, I grew up near Yosemite, but
What are you doing?
still Colorado. It's just there's things closer. Like
Nothing.
California's so big. It takes
Look like something.
Yeah, so this treehouse is usually open, but because Hill Trail is closed because of how steep it is and how much snow there still is, the treehouse isn't open. But you should be able to get, I read birch candy, birch syrup, and just kind of taste the birch syrup. But right now it's closed, but the views are amazing. So the treehouse was built for Animal Planet in 2017, or by Animal Planet. You like the rock axe there?
Yeah, that's cool.
Ice axe.
This almost looks like a miniature glacier here. Look at this.
Yeah, what else can I say? We're hoping to see maybe some eagles, some moose, some bear.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, I have a 401k plan too, which is really good. They match me on it.
Here's the view overlooking the McKinley Lodge.
Yeah, my grandma taught me well.
Welcome to building 19. It's a cute little common area that they give you. Hang out if you want. Let's take a look at our room.
Right inside the front door.
Yeah, room 1901. We had a little problem with our key to begin with, but they got that remedied pretty quick. It's a lot like a regular hotel room, honestly. So let's take a look at the bathroom first. Sink. You got a hair dryer here, which is great. I didn't bring mine. I went back and forth on whether I should bring it or not, and I didn't. You've got, back behind the door is the shower tub combo. The regular shampoo, conditioner, body wash, so that's good. Nothing super fancy in here.
Plenty of towels.
Plenty of towels, yeah. Works fine. The closet area is right here at the front. Nothing overwhelmingly amazing, but you're really only here for one night, most likely. So I don't think you need that much space, really. Dresser there if you should so desire. Ice bucket, of course. And then you have a nice size, king size bed. Nightstand, you've got some extra outlets here. 2 USB, 2 regular outlets. Alarm clock, so that's great. Drawer there. Desk.
King size bed.
Little coffee maker, which we probably won't use. I'll talk to you about checkout good stuff in a minute and timing on that. Oh, you've got a good sized television there. Robert discovered that there's only about 6 different channels, although you've got about 12 listed here. So I don't know why that might be, but
Not here to watch TV
not really here to
anyway.
watch TV, right? This side of the bed doesn't really have any outlets here. There are, well, actually there are 2 outlets here. One goes to that lamp and one goes to something else. I don't know if Robert plugged that in for the
It's
camera.
not mine.
Maybe. Okay, somebody
Uh-oh,
left.
somebody left their cord.
Somebody left a plug. So you get a little bench to put luggage on. We've got some coats and our carry-on bag for the train. And I'll show you the view. We just opened the window. It's going to get really bright for a second till the camera adjusts. Maybe try from this angle. That way it's not quite so bright.
Doesn't appear to be any air conditioning, so
Right.
there is a
Thermostat.
controller thermostat on this side, but it's turned maxed out and nothing's happening. So,
I think it's probably just a heater.
oh, you think
There's
heater only?
baseboard heat over there, and I think
Oh,
that's all
okay,
you got.
no AC. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's
We have a
fine.
ceiling fan.
Yep.
We'll use that. We've got the window open, so it will cool off.
Yeah, it'll
quick.
cool off quick. It got down to 34 in Anchorage last
Yeah,
night, so
no.
I'm sure it'll be even colder tonight here.
Sunset isn't until about 10:30 right now. During the summer, it goes clear till like 11:30 maybe.
10:30 to 11:30
Yeah.
for sunset.
10:30 right now, but it's gonna get gradually longer. Yeah.
Wow.
So we'll leave this open while we go to dinner, and things will cool off a little bit. We'll close the blinds. So close the drapes. That's it. Pad Thai, vegetarian. It's some teriyaki, some sesame oil, rice noodles, veggies, lots of carrots, big hunks of broccoli, and some green onion in there, and peanuts. Looks like peanuts.
Nice.
Delicious. Robert has
I got the halibut fish and chips,
fish and chips.
they were out of tartar sauce, which didn't bother me a bit because
Yeah.
I just had
The malt
the
vinegar.
malt vinegar.
So that's
that
really
worked
good.
out just great.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, very, very good. And had a house amber. You're having a house Chardonnay. Keep the cost down a little bit. Then we're going to head over to
Fooder
the
home.
yeah, we're going to head over to the hot tubs after
Yes.
we're done here. So we'll take you with us.
Yes, with us, yeah.
So Julia, did you like that salmon chowder?
Can you put that away, please? There. You gotta rub them for good luck. Right? That's what you do. You rub the paws for good luck?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right on the nose.
I can't reach it.
There you go.
There you go.
Maybe his feet.
Do you lick the feet, or what? Tell her she has to lick the
No,
feet?
it's all
Is
right.
that right?
Yeah, don't lick the feet.
No, we're not licking the feet.
We could. Santa Claus is up here.
The height of the grizzly is 5 to 8 feet, 350 to 800 pounds, larger along the coast. The habitat, open fields, tundras,